Are you leaving free speed on the table, or worse, setting yourself up for a long-term knee injury every time you ride? If you ride with Shimano SPD-SL pedals, the answer might be in these little plastic pieces. Hey, I'm from Electra Ride Hub, and today we're diving into the BUCKLOS bicycle pedal cleats. These are the affordable, high-quality replacements for your road bike, and knowing which color to pick is the difference between a painful slog and a powerful, efficient ride. Let's break down the 0, 2, and 6 degree float options. Let's start with the most popular, the yellow BH11 cleats. These give you a generous 6 degrees of float. That's 3 degrees in each direction. Float is the amount of wiggle room your foot has while clipped in. Why is this good? If you're new to clipless pedals, you have knee pain. The yellow is your best bet. The freedom of movement minimizes joint stress and gives you a huge margin for error when setting them up. Think of this as your safety net cleat. They keep the ride comfortable and the power transfer is still excellent for the vast majority of cyclists. If you're starting out or prioritizing comfort, go yellow. Next, we have the newcomer, the blue BH12 cleats. These are the great middle ground, offering 2 degrees of float. 2 degrees gives you just enough movement to prevent joint strain, but dramatically increases pedaling efficiency compared to the yellow. The magic here is the pivot point is at the front of the cleat. Electra Ride Hub, if you've been riding yellow for a while, know your setup is mostly correct and want a little more punch in your pedal stroke without going full commitment, the blue is a fantastic upgrade. It's for the rider who values efficiency but still wants a sliver of comfort. And finally, for the serious riders, the red BH10 cleats. 0 float, 0, they are 100% fixed in position. This is the most efficient power transfer possible. Every single watt you produce goes straight to the drivetrain. These are for sprinters, pro athletes, or anyone who values absolute maximum performance. But a major warning, if your cleat position is off by even a millimeter, you will cause pain and potential long-term damage. Only use red if you know your optimal position precisely, perhaps through a professional bike fit. So whether you need the forgiving 6 degrees of yellow, the balanced 2 degrees of blue, or the locked-in 0 degrees of red, BUCKLOS has a quality, reliable, and affordable replacement for your Shimano SPD-SL pedals. They work with every major model, from the PDR540 up to the PD900 Dura-Ace. Ready to upgrade your efficiency or just replace your worn-out cleats? I've dropped a direct link to the BUCKLOS cleats in the description below. Clicking that helps support Electra Ride Hub at no extra cost to you. Hit the like button, subscribe for more cycling tips, and I'll catch you on the next ride.